The current version of Google Sites has a number of different layouts you can apply to a page, so let's look at those now. In order to do that, we're going to go to the Edit icon. There's some sample text to help us see things a little better. So, by clicking Layout, you can change this from a single column to a double column. And of course, I could move some of this text over into the other column. Any other options, there's a triple column. There's columns with sections above and below them, or simply above or below them, and things that are not equally divided. So here we're going to get a right sidebar and a larger left area. So just a couple of different layouts you can choose. This does not affect, right now we've got a side menu over here, and the layouts do not affect that space. So if you're using a side menu, the layouts will take place in the main content area. There is a way, we'll look at it in another video, to get rid of this side menu, use a horizontal menu instead, or we could eliminate both menus, which is not terribly practical in most cases. And if we were to do that, if we were to eliminate the side menu, then this content area would expand to take up all of the available space. Okay, and that's really all there is to layouts. Layouts are something that can happen on an individual page. So when I save this, it'll be applied to this page, but as I create new pages, they're going to default to single column unless I change them. Okay, so it's nice because it's something you can use as you need it. The last thing I'd like to take a look at in this video is the Help option from the main menu, and that simply gives you two choices. Sites Help, which is the same thing we saw at the top level of Google Sites when we were looking at our sites ourselves, and it gives you some choices about topics that you might be interested in, allows you to go to a section that's totally dedicated to help with Google Sites, and also allows you to link to the forum to ask questions or engage in conversations. There's also the option for keyboard shortcuts. Now, when we looked at keyboard shortcuts at the sites level, it was simply for toggling it on or off. But when you're actually in a site and looking at it, it's giving you the shortcuts and explaining what they do. So Control Z is undo, Control S is to save the page. So a couple of things that you can learn here that might speed your work process a little bit. Okay, when you're done with your page, you simply save it. Okay, if you decide that this was not what you wanted, it's easy. You just go back in and edit it, change the layout, and save it again.